Okay. Here's our pool. We had a little bit of a storm last night and it blew a lot of leaves in here. I gotta run the vacuum, but the main purpose of this video is to show you this. And this. And all the pipe. I finally plumbed this thing with PVC pipe. And then here's our new skimmer. It goes in right on the sidewall. And here's our salt chlorine generator. It's in sleep mode right now. You can't even see what the water is flowing through the salt generator, and then goes right back into the pool here. So if you're looking to upgrade your pump and filter for an Intex pool, this is a 24 by 52 inch Intex pool. Oh, and we had to get a new liner this year. We got it from, I believe it was called Liner World. It was a couple $100, but it's worth it. The old liner just got a little tear in the seam down on the bottom, but this was way cheaper than anything else I found, and it works great. So if you want to upgrade your pump and filter, this is the setup I would go with.